आज मैं आपसे एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक पर बात करने वाली हूँ। हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू ममताज मैजिक टॉक्स। शुड पेरेंट्स बी फ्रेंड्स विद देयर चिल्ड्रन? आपने भी ये लाइन जरूर सुनी होगी। पेरेंट्स शुड बी देयर चिल्ड्रंस बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स। बट ऑनेस्टली, क्या ये पॉसिबल है? क्या हम पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों के फ्रेंड्स बन सकते हैं, या फिर पेरेंट्स और फ्रेंड्स के रोल्स अलग होने चाहिए? आई थिंक देयर इज नो वन साइज फिट्स ऑल आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन। हर फैमिली का डायनामिक डिफरेंट होता है, राइट? बट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इट। सबसे पहले मैं एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहती हूँ। आप अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ कितनी ओपनली बात कर पाते थे जब आप छोटे थे? क्या आप उन्हें अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स बता देते थे, या फिर कभी-कभी आप सोचते थे नहीं, ये बात मम्मी पापा को नहीं बतानी, पता नहीं क्या रिएक्शन होगा? आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ अस हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड दिस एट सम पॉइंट। और यहीं से एक इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आता है, why do children hesitate to talk to their parents? Sometimes it's not because they don't love their parents. It's simply because they are afraid of being judged, scolded, or misunderstood. For example, imagine your child comes to you and says, Mama, I made a mistake. अब हम पेरेंट्स का फर्स्ट रिएक्शन क्या होता है? आई टोल्ड यू ना, तो मेरी बात कभी नहीं सुनते। या फिर ओके, टेल मी व्हाट हैपेंड नाउ। सी, दोनों सेंटेंसेस का इम्पैक्ट कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट है। पहले सेंटेंस से चाइल्ड डिफेंसिव हो सकता है, बट सेकंड सेंटेंस tells the child, it's okay, you can talk to me. And I think this is where friendship between parents and children begins. Not by behaving like their friends, but by making them uh, feel comfortable and safe around us. But wait, does being a friendly parent mean we should say yes to everything? Definitely not. अगर मेरा बेटा मुझसे कहे मम्मा मुझे ना पूरी रात फ़ोन यूज़ करना है, तो मैं ये थोड़ी ना बोलूँगी कि श्योर बेटा, यू आर माई फ्रेंड, so do whatever you want. Of course not. Children need boundaries. They need to know what is right and what is wrong. And sometimes parents have to say no. And actually saying no is also a part of good parenting, right? So the important thing is how we say it. We can say no, you can't do this because I don't think it's good for you, instead of because I said so, bus or nahi. So there's a difference, right? And I think this is where balance becomes very important. If we are too strict, children may start hiding things from us. If we are too lenient, they may not learn discipline. So we need to find a middle ground. We can be loving and still set boundaries, right? So we can be approachable and still maintain authority. We can listen to our children without agreeing with everything they say. And that's the real challenge of parenting. Another thing I have realized is that sometimes we parents want to protect our children from from every possible problems. uh, हम नहीं चाहते कि उन्हें फेलियर मिले, मतलब वो फेल हुए अपनी लाइफ में। हम नहीं चाहते कि उन्हें डिसअपॉइंटेड हो, राइट? हम नहीं चाहते कि किसी भी तरीके का उन्हें प्रॉब्लम हो, कोई उन्हें हर्ट करे। बट कैन वी रियली प्रोटेक्ट देम फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग? नो। एट सम पॉइंट दे हैव टू फेस लाइफ ऑन देयर own. So instead of solving every problem for them, maybe we should teach them uh, how to handle problems. Let them make small mistakes. Let them learn from those mistakes. And when they need us, be there. Yes, I am here for help you. That's how they become independent and responsible. And you know what? Children don't need perfect parents. Actually, they need understanding parents. Parents uh, who can sometimes say, "Okay, I don't agree with you, but I want to hear you out." And I really like this. Actually, I really like this expression. Hear someone out. It means listening to someone patiently before giving your opinion, right? So I think parents should do this more often. Sometimes our children don't need a solution, they just want someone to listen. They want to feel they want to feel that their feelings are valid. And there's one more thing we should remember. Our children are, growing up in completely different world. So the things we experienced during our uh, childhood may not exactly relevant to their lives today. Technology, social media, uh, peer pressure, everything has changed. So instead of saying uh, like हमारे टाइम पर तो ऐसा नहीं होता था, right? So maybe we should sometimes ask, what is it like for you, right? That one question can um, open up a completely different conversation. And personally, I feel parenting is not about controlling our children forever. I mean, I'm not a helicopter parent. No. It's about preparing them for the time when we won't be there to make every decision for them, right? So आज हम उन्हें गाइड कर रहे हैं, कल वो अपने डिसीजंस खुद लेंगे. So our responsibility is not just to tell them what to do, it's to teach them how to think, how to do, how to make decisions, right? How to deal with the failure, how to deal with bad situations, how to handle criticism, how to respect others, and most importantly, how to trust themselves. So, coming back to our original question, actually, so it was like, should parents be friends with their children? So, I would say yes, but don't try to become their friend, try to become their safe person, someone they can talk to, someone they can trust, someone who will correct them when they are wrong, but won't make them feel like they are a bad person because they made a mistake. No, because at the end of the day, children may forget many of our lectures, whatever we give, but they will remember how we made them feel. And maybe that's what matters the most. So, what do you think? Should parents be friends with their children, or do you think parents should maintain a certain distance and authority? I would genuinely love to know your opinion. Comment below and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep growing. I'll see you in the next video.